Welcome! Today we will be installing the fixed top. This should be done before installing the fixed back. Step 1. Locate the two shorter headliner mounting rails and rivet into place between the A and B pillar with 3/16 rivets. Next, rivet the two longer rails between the B and C pillar. Step 2. Remove the indicated screws and install the two B pillar caps. The driver's side cap will have a D engraved on the side, and the passenger side cap will have a P engraved on the side. Repeat a similar process for step 3. Note that the corner radius goes towards the back. Step 4. Round over the edges of the top for a better finish. Place the front half on the Humvee. Apply a few clicos on each side. You may need to use a pin or punch to help align the holes. Drill the row of holes along the B pillar, applying clicos as you go. Start in the middle and work your way out. Remove the front half and repeat the same process of drilling holes in the B pillar for the rear half. After removing the back half, apply Sikaflex 221 where indicated. Make sure to cover the rivet holes. Apply Sikaflex along the inside of the front edge of the roof panel. Carefully place the front roof panel on the Humvee. Place rivets in all of the holes before you use the rivet gun. The rivets along the gutter will likely be more challenging and will require the use of an alignment pin. If you have a rivet that is fighting you, use a socket and hammer. You can now rivet the front half into place. Repeat for the rear half.